Immutable ledger. A ledger is a book or a collection of accounts in which account transactions are recorded. Each account has an opening or carry forward balance and would record transaction as either debit or credit in separate column. Immutable is defined as a ability of blockchain ledger to remain unchanged, unaltered, and indelible. Each of the block of information, like a fact or a transaction detail, is carried out with the help of cryptography, principle, or hash value. A simple word, immutable means cannot be changed. Transaction as cannot be reverse engineered, which means that the user cannot make use of this output string for the purpose of finding the input data. This in turn results in the immutable of the blockchain ledger. A simple words, immutable is a cryptography plus a blockchain hashing process. Once a transaction hash updated in the blockchain, it cannot be modified or deleted in the network. It is not possible even attackers to modify. A lot of attackers tried but they failed because it takes huge computational power and higher GPUs to replicate all the nodes in the network. Advantages of immutable ledger is transparent. All the transactions are recorded and can be tracked. Immutable, nothing can be changed without consent. Secure, all the data is encrypted.